Hello, what is your name?
I'm Sarah Brandillos,
How old are you?
35 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic,
Are you married?
single,
Do you have kids?
no,
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years,
Do you have any working experience in other
Yes.
countries? Where?
in Qatar,
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years,
Where's your employer living in?
Franchai,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1.5,
How many family member there?
5,
How many children?
1,
How old now?
3 years old,
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6 o'clock in the morning, then I prepare breakfast for 4 persons,
Mhm.
and then after that I clean the house,
Mm-hmm.
then after cleaning the house, going down with the dogs, the 2 dogs.
Okay, and then?
And then after that, going to market.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
6 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, what time they eat?
8 o'clock.
Okay, so after finishing the kitchen, cleaning the kitchen, so what time you go to bed?
10 o'clock in the after finish my work.
Okay, thank you so much.